with the it's still going good with the Candle Daddy. So I mean, the last 2 days were $8 a purchase, which is good. So when he wants to launch these new scents, you basically just go to lookalike, duplicate this, and then just put in the new ad copy and the new images.
No, you can just add those in here.
You add it into this one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, and would I be targeting different interests then, like we did with the original? Because now it's going to be all Christmas scents.
Or what do you mean target different what?
Like, should you know how for the original we set up the interest targeting with the
Oh yeah, you could do some interests that are specific for that.
okay.
Um, and then you can also just launch those ads into those lookalikes there.
Okay, gotcha. All right, that's all I have. Hopefully this bada bean thing gets fixed. It's stressing me
Yeah,
out.
totally. I hope it does too.
All right, I'll see you, Chase.
All right, thanks, Michael. Bye.